So Marty, where are we headed today?
Well, today we're heading to another campsite that was booked off Hip Camp, like you did last time. We booked another one. This time it's called the Natural Bridge Retreat, down by the Natural Bridge in New South Wales. Oh, sorry, just on the New South Wales border. It's actually right on the border of New South Wales and Queensland, which is going to be a bit of fun because...
Yeah, it's like the last property in Queensland.
It's literally like, the guy's property borders New South Wales.
Yeah.
So there is, on the road where his driveway is actual going to be a checkpoint because we're currently in lockdown, and I think we are actually like in full lockdown, so we can't cross the border without having to do quarantine for 2 weeks. So we will be able to see illegally into New South Wales with our eyes.
It's going to be crazy.
It's going to be crazy. We're going to be breaking the law. So we've just driven past the Gold Coast and we're heading out the back of Narang through the countryside, and yeah, we should be about 20 minutes away. Really looking forward to this place. It looks really, really good. We were actually going to come here when we did the Lone Camel video, but unfortunately we couldn't book this place because it was closed because it was being filmed in a movie. This place is actually really picturesque. It's got a real beautiful waterfall on site. We've actually picked a location right next to the waterfall, which will be really cool. Yeah, really looking forward to this place. It looks really, really exciting. It looks really good and very, very pretty. So very, very happy to be driving out here today, actually.
Is the turn off?
I'm not going to miss the turn off. Yeah, see the road closed. It's closed. His driveway? Yeah.
It's where this person is sitting.
Yeah. Those guys were terrifying. Did you see the way he said, "Hey guys, how you going?" Oh my god, it was so scary.
People. Oh my god.
Holy shit, talk about police brutality.
I mean, there are zombies right over there.
Alright. Right over there.
Right over there. Hang on. It's one of these.
Push the button or... Oh, this terrain is insane.
Super beautiful.
It's crazy. Look at that valley. Look at that valley.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Gorgeous. Almost.
Oh, that's eucalyptus. It smells like Vicks. Smell it.
Oh my goodness.
There we go. Fire. Easy peasy.
Breakfast of Champions.
So here we are in the Natural Bridge Rainforest walk. It is amazing. It is so beautiful here. It's a bit of a quick hike, about 1 kilometer all round. So it's quick in, quick out, a lot of stairs, but it's very flat and very easy to walk. But I hope you guys enjoy the show. is insane, eh? It's unbelievable.
It's the weekend now, and as you can see, guys, it is a lot busier. This place is pretty packed out. There's a lot of activity down at the waterfall. A lot of through traffic, actually. So it has lost a bit of its serenity. It's still a lovely spot, but gotta say, very busy. Hello, Maddie.
Hey.
So we've just finished our 3-day stay
Yes.
at the Natural Bridge Retreat.
That's it.
How did you feel about it?
It was awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Like, it's super pretty. Like, it's really super nicely manicured. The owners are super friendly. They're down here all the time. So if you ever need them for anything, you can easily just grab them. Yeah, as you can see, the place is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. A little bit crowded for our liking. There's like a lot of campsites around here, very close and on top of each other. But fantastic.
It's still a beautiful place.
Oh, beautiful place, fantastic, absolutely amazing. The valley that we're in is amazing. There's like heaps to see and do around here as well. New South Wales is just around the corner if we're ever allowed to be there. But yeah, so we're just packing up at the moment, and yeah, other than that, we're ready to go home, I think.
Yeah. Would you recommend people to come here?
Oh, for sure, 100%.
Yeah,
it's a beautiful campsite.
It is magic.
Yeah, even though it was a little bit crowded, like even the toilets are really clean and really nice, like they're well maintained. All the fire pits are really well looked after, like the campsite's really well looked after, like the owners are really finicky about it. So it's really good because it means everything stays nice and clean and tidy and neat, and everyone's super respectful, and yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Even just being able to like walk barefoot on the grass is like a treat. right?
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. The fact, like we actually the second day, so I just kick off my shoes. I'm just wandering around like it's my own backyard. There is a few little bees and stuff flying around, so you have to be careful where you stand. But I mean, there's no bindies, there's like no leeches or anything. Like it's super easy camping. If you're trying to convince one of your friends to come here to go camping, like bring them here, because this is a so easy place to go camping. Yeah, for sure. So there's showers here as well. They actually got like a dual hot tap that the guys actually built into like this little wooden sort of framework, so you can actually go in there and have a hot shower, which is fantastic, and that's free as well. And the toilets, he's actually got 2 portaloos that are very clean and very nicely kept. The nicest portaloos I've ever used, to be honest. They're like they're brand new. He's just got them in like a little trailer over there, so anyone can access them whenever. So they're fantastic as well. So I was quite happy with that. Yeah, it was fantastic. I really enjoyed my time here. Like, sad to go, to be honest.
It's super relaxing. Hey.
Yeah, super good. Definitely recharge my batteries.
Yeah.